At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a dyno tuning business can be an exciting venture if you're passionate about automotive performance and have a solid understanding of engine tuning. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market. Identify the demand for dyno tuning services in your area. Research your competitors to understand their pricing, services offered, and customer base. 2. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your services, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Determine the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. 3. Legal requirements. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. This may include a business license, sales tax permit, and zoning permits. Obtain liability insurance to protect your business in case of accidents or damage to customer vehicles. 4. Location and facilities. Choose a suitable location for your dyno tuning shop. It should have enough space for the dyno equipment, workspace, and customer parking. Ensure the facility meets any zoning requirements and has adequate ventilation and safety measures in place. 5. Equipment and tools. Invest in quality dyno equipment and tuning software. This includes a dynamometer, wideband oxygen sensors, data acquisition systems, and diagnostic tools. Purchase basic hand tools and equipment needed for vehicle maintenance and repairs. 6. Staffing. Hire experienced technicians with expertise in engine tuning and performance upgrades. Consider certifications from organizations like the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. Provide training to your staff on using dyno equipment and tuning software effectively. 7. Services offered. Define the range of services you'll offer, such as performance tuning, engine diagnostics, custom ECU tuning, and aftermarket parts installation. Consider offering additional services like vehicle maintenance, repair, and performance upgrades to attract a broader customer base. 8. Marketing and advertising. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your dyno tuning business. This may include creating a professional website, social media presence, and online advertising. Network with local automotive enthusiasts, racing clubs, and performance shops to generate word-of-mouth referrals. Offer promotional deals or discounts to attract new customers and encourage repeat business. 9. Customer service. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Communicate clearly with customers about the tuning process, pricing, and expected outcomes. Listen to customer feedback and address any concerns promptly to ensure satisfaction. 10. Compliance and safety. Adhere to industry regulations and safety standards when performing dyno tuning and vehicle modifications. Stay updated on environmental regulations regarding emissions testing and vehicle modifications in your area. Starting a dyno tuning business requires careful planning, investment in equipment and facilities, and a commitment to providing high-quality services to your customers. With the right approach, you can build a successful business in this niche automotive market. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.